madaling maglakad, kumain ng maayos, matulog ng maayos. Maraming salamat, DigoSure.
Sa tingin ko dapat subukan ito ng sinumang may pananakit ng kasukasuan. Ang sarap, maraming beses ko na naranasan.
Ang epekto, yung napakaganda para sa akin. Sa tingin ko dapat mong subukan ang DigoSure.
I recommend patients with knee pain, back pain, sciatica, and numbness in the limbs should not abuse painkillers and other Western drugs. Instead, choose DigoSure nut milk.
DigoSure with new improved formula. Perfect combination of two super active ingredients 5-loxin and Aquamin F. Helps reduce joint pain and anti-inflammation 5 times more effectively. Increasing the content of Commiphora mira, Kaempferia galanga. Helps accelerate pain relief and joint cartilage regeneration, limiting the risk of pain recurrence. Brings you a comfortable feeling when moving and walking, strong bones and joints, and a supple body. Not only that, from 100% natural ingredients, DigoSure also gives users a lot of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals necessary for the body, helping to regenerate joint cartilage from the inside, enhancing overall health. Don't abuse painkillers, it's extremely harmful to your health. Use DigoSure for the best nutritional supplement to keep joints healthy. Don't hesitate because we will take care of you while using DigoSure and give you advice on a healthy lifestyle.
Dati, madalas masakit ang tuhod ko. Ang paglalakad ay napakahirap, ang mga kasukasuan ay sumasakit at kumaluskos. Sa kabutihang palad mula nang kunin ng DigoSure na ito, ang sakit ng tuhod ko ay ganap na humupa. Maraming beses na akong nag-order. Masarap at epektibo ang pag-inom ng DigoSure. Ngayon ay mas madali na akong makagalaw mula sa bahay hanggang sa hardin, paglalakad sa palengke nang hindi na masakit ang kasukasuan.
Mas malakas ang tuhod ko, hindi naman hid o masakit ang mga paa ko. Napakasarap ng tulog ko. Naka 9th box na ako. Grabe ang effect lalo na hindi tumaba. Sobrang secured ako.
Napakagaling nitong DigoSure, nawala na ang pananakit ng likod ko, 5 boxes lang. Pakiramdam ang iyong katawan ay laging puno ng enerhiya. Dapat gamitin ng lahat ang DigoSure.
Dapat gamitin ng lahat ang DigoSure na ito upang mapanatiling malakas at malusog ang kanilang mga kasukasuan at may mabuting kalusugan.
Super sale for joint pain patients and the elderly. New combo, cheaper price, bigger gifts. Buy 3 get 1 can free. Buy 5 get 2 can free. Order now.